Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to duplicate a board on money.com. Maybe you want to reuse a board setup and tasks to save time and to keep things organized. So today I'm going to show you how to duplicate a board on money.com. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the money.com application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, you will see all of your active boards. Here, find a specific board that you want to duplicate. For example, I am going to duplicate this board, so simply tap on it. In this board page, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. A menu will appear with various options. In this menu, you will see this board info option. Simply tap on it. Here, you will see several details about the board. Now, to duplicate the board, simply tap on this duplicate option. After that, you now have successfully duplicated a board on money.com. The duplicated board will automatically appear on your screen with duplicate added to its name. You can now customize and modify this duplicate board to fit your new project's requirements. There you go. If you wanted to know how to duplicate a board on money.com, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to duplicate a board on money.com, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.